Get in, loser. We're going to the show.
Wait, what show?
You're so stupid, Karen. The show about us, remember?
Oh yeah, Katie, your mom's okay with it being PG-13, right?
Yeah, it's fine. Let's just get there before they sell out.
Did you ever really think of me when I walked away? The book, the dunks, and the bottle of Jack. The smoke's the slouch out of my eyes. Down, you think you know what you think you'll find.
How much are they again? 10 for us and Miss Norbury, and 15 for your mom, Katie. You know she's coming too, right?
What? Well, if you don't go, then you can't sit with us at lunch.
And I wonder if I'm just built this way. 'Cause every man that I know makes me feel like I'm to blame when it's over. Me and my selfish ways go back to start again. Go back to start again. Did you ever feel like you should have said something smarter at the time? Did you ever feel like you should have kept it all to yourself? Did you ever think it might be your fault? I never promised